So what exactly makes me concerned? Well, let's have a look from a game developer's point of view. As of today, we have generative AI that can do art, code, sound, even playtest. Albeit it's not perfect in each of these disciplines, but considering we've got here practically overnight, who can predict what it could be capable of in another week or two, figuratively speaking? Okay, this may sound like a bit of a stretch, but at some point in a not so distant future, it could potentially generate fully functional games, playtest them using models trained on real players' expectations and playstyles, and voila, you'll have a perfectly polished game, which could maybe even be patched in real time based on Steam reviews or any other feedback sources. One of the talking points used by those who are trying to diminish the scale of the change that's looming is that AI is still just a tool and will require a human to operate it. Fair enough, I'm of the same opinion, but I just think they overestimate the number of operators that it would require to do it. Where previously you had departments, you could soon have just a couple of people curating, say, a dozen of AI agents doing all the work. So yeah, I'm reasonably worried at the prospects of losing my job to AI. And this worry is not only for myself. Every now and then I get to give an advice to younger people who are just getting into the field, and I feel it gets increasingly harder for me to do so. I'm just not sure anymore if these jobs will stay the same or stay at all. At least some of them might not. Learning how to draw, 3D model, animate, code, write stories, engineer sound, and write music takes a long time before you can get good enough to land your first real job. But at least having done so, you then open the doors for an exciting and, what's not least important, decent paying job. If you're lucky and talented, working in game dev can be a dream job. It has been for myself. One thing is certain in my opinion. This train will only be picking up more steam going forward. I sincerely hope that everyone will have enough time to prepare for whatever lies ahead.